See the video here. Those sites wey I send for you for WhatsApp, that project topics and I project, you go visit their website like this now. Let's say you no go their home page now. Let's say you wan publish for accounting department. You go scroll down you go see am here accounting department. You go click am. Though I don publish before, make I continue for where I stop. Make I show you why. So na here I wan start from now. You go just click this topic wey dey here. Once you click the topic, you go copy the topic out. You go copy the topic out. You go paste am for notepad. Then you copy am again, go wordpad or ms word, paste am again. Make you fit change, do some correction. Make you change am to capital letter from every text. Then if you notice say most of the spelling no correct, you go start to dey correct am before you put am for our own website. Then once you do am, you copy am out. You go for this place here. You go see am product, add new. Once you click add new, e go open like this for you. Na normal way you take do as normal blog post publishing, but this one na for product. You go paste the title for here. Once you paste the title, you correct, make sure everything the spelling dey correct. Then you copy again, come paste am here again, come highlight everything, then bold am. Once you bold am, you go back to that site wey you copy am from. You scroll down the page, make you go see say table of content in table of content information. You go copy this table of content here first. Go press enter, paste, then table of content of, copy the title of this one. You paste am here again. Then highlight everything, make am H2. Make am H2. Table of content of balancing and budgeting control in manufacturing and marketing organization. Then you press enter again, make continue the table of contents from here. Scroll, you go highlight everything, go down to where you stop. This is where you stop. I don copy am. Then you copy. Then you paste. You make corrections for some places wey show you red signal. Then you press enter again. You gonna do chapter 1 of that title again. You copy am again. That one of, then you paste am. Then you make this one again H2 or H3. Better make am H3. Once that you press enter again, you go back to that website again. You copy from the introduction. Go where the website stop, where in this stop. Don't copy this blue link wey dey here. Now where you stop, the article stop. Now you go copy from. You copy. You paste. Then you go wan write your own here. You go make sure say this thing dey on H3. You go wan write download full work. Now you highlight am. You go wan come for our own website. For the menu here, you go see payment. You go copy the link for that payment. Paste am inside this download full work. Then make am H3. You make it H3. Then you are done on this part now. You are done on this part now. Or then you go back to the at the beginning. If you want write anything, but just leave am like this. You are done on this part. Then we go on. Then go on the product category. Since I'm publishing on accounting, I will come and click accounting project topics work. Then if I click accounting project topics work, I go scroll down, go copy, scroll down, copy this balance for the tag, you go copy this balancing. I'm thinking of whether I should use the tag or not. Still copy the tag. No, forget about the tag. This accounting project, after you do the accounting project, you scroll down. If you come and write the topic here, wait, put all those topics without. No. Let me see if you can. You can just come and copy this balancing word by word. You paste for here. Since it's about balancing and budgeting control, if you copy this thing like this, paste for here. Those words, put them for here. Now say you go take do them for your own. Manufacturing company and marketing organization. Then you paste. After you don't put your tag, don't worry about the feature image. Forget them, it's already automatic already. Then you scroll down. You come where you go put the product price. You go see this place here, this virtual and downloadable. You go click the two, or you let's say click only one. You click only one. Click only this virtual here. Then you come here, you write 3,000. After you write 3,000, you come for the use SEO. You put edit snippet. You go back, go copy that title. After you go back, go copy that title, you paste am for here. Since e show, you go make sure say you show green light o. Then since the thing too short, you go just put full stop. Just write anything wey go fit make person click am from search engine. Download complete accounting project work now. Then you come here, go for the focus keyword. Since na balancing and budgeting control, you just copy this one. Since you know how to do SEO now, just copy balancing and budgeting control. You paste here. So you don't show green. Once you show green, you go down. See this place here? This is the last place. You go to this last place now, the small place for the website like this now. Let me go. Let me pull something for you. Let me put something for you. This place now, this short place now, now be this for here. You own now to just go copy this format, MS Word. Now copy, I dey take copy am. So you go copy this one for here from this format MS Word. Copy am from here. From the format MS Word. Just put any page. Put page like 70 for there. Then view chapter 1. Copy am from this from that format to that view chapter 1. Forget about this Nigerian price and international price. No copy am. Just come here to that place. You paste am. Since na table of content you write and chapter 1 you write for that main page. You go write view table of content and chapter 1 below. If you see abstract, you go see. If it's abstract, you go write view table of content, abstract and chapter 1 below. If na only chapter 1, view chapter 1 below. If na only table of content, you go write view table of content below. Then once you are done with this one, you scroll up. You just recheck your work if you do mistake. Since there's no mistake, just check your work. Then you press publish. Just publish once. Once you publish once, once you publish, you don publish go. Then na so you go take do every topic wey from that department. Na so you go take do am. till we gather up to 20,000 materials. I just hope say you grab this one. Just watch the video. No mind my voice, so I got to shout so you go understand. Then go ma show you the wetin I don publish. You go see am say that na wetin display for there. If you see am, na so you dey display now. You don see am? You don see everything? Na so you go be. So I will end the video now. Go send am for you now. So just watch the video step by step. E dey more easier. Then use those two websites wey I show you, iProject and thisprojecttopics.org as your resources. No go on that place, so just use them as your resources. Thank you, bro.